Are your Nvidia Corp apps crashing due to the Nvidia Service module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Nvidia Service module, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Nvidia Service module, the Nvidia Display Driver Service library. It is responsible for the background management of Nvidia hardware features, including the persistence of resolution settings and GPU power states. If corrupted, the Nvidia Control Panel will fail to save settings, and the GPU may remain in a low power mode, significantly impacting game performance. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Nvsvc is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X input, or X audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Nvidia Service module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Nvidia Service module DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Nvidia Service module. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Nvidia Service module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.